Ooh, I forgot something in that last video. We were talking about the AutoSum. I gave you a couple ways to do it. You could do it on a single cell, hit the AutoSum button. You could select a range of cells and use the AutoSum. That takes us back to the discussion about relative references. Because these are all the same, it's always 5 cells up. It's going to do the exact same thing across each of the ranges. Even that empty one that I did. Remember that how this total here was empty to begin with? And I auto-summed it and it automatically grabbed the top 5 cells. Again, it's all based on that relative reference and using the first one as the example. I'm going to undo that. Now, the item that I forgot, and I love this one. I don't know how I left this one out, but here's its own little video, and we'll make this quick. This is the AutoSum shortcut key. You got a button there, but I love keyboard shortcuts, right? My hands are already on the keyboard. Why do I have to go to the mouse and go navigate the interface? Just use a shortcut key. Take a look at this. I'm going to delete out the total row. Gone. I'm going to click into B9. This is my total for January. Now to AutoSum that, I can use a keyboard shortcut. On my keyboard, I'm going to hold down the Alt key, Alt, and then the equals symbol, Alt equals. And that does the AutoSum for me. Alt equals. Hit my Enter key. I'll jump over to the next cell. Alt equals. Does it for me. Super slick, super fast, nice shortcut. Again, Alt equals on my keyboard. If I go to the Formulas tab and I hover my mouse over the AutoSum, it tells me, it says, hey, automatically add it up. Your total will appear out, after the selected cells. But here, it tells me the shortcut as well. Oops, let's get that back. I'm not going to be able to highlight it. It's right there at the top left corner of there. You can see sum, Alt, plus the equal sign. That's it. That's your shortcut key. So try that one out. Get a little practice with it. Still summing, just another approach and a nice, quick, efficient way. Nice shortcut to complete the AutoSum on a range of cells.